my question is this one: how I can get more customers?
Mhm.
Because I use company like Angie, like you do like an internet, you pay like a $2,000,
Mhm.
but that company they don't, they send a lot of phone numbers to someone. They don't,
Yeah.
like you can get like maybe three or four customers. What do you recommend to me to get? Like I don't want to spend too much money,
Yep.
to do like a marketing
Yep.
to
Okay.
get more customers.
So just to clarify, 2019 you did 150,000 annual revenue. Last year, 2023, you did 80,000 in revenue. So about half. Is that right?
Yeah.
Now, do you have a website and like a Google listing for online?
Yes, I have a website.
Okay. And what's that website's name?
Yeah, MarlboroLandscape.com.
All right. Now I'm looking at your
Okay.
website. Cool. All right. Pretty good.
Okay.
Pretty good. All right. All right. And then on your Google listing, what is your how many Google reviews do you have right now?
Reviews?
Yes.
I don't know. I don't check in right now. I don't know. Maybe I have someone like over there,
Uh-huh.
like maybe couple ones, maybe five or four.
Yeah. So like right now, when I look at your area of Marlboro, Massachusetts, I am getting other companies like Kadish Landscaping, the Vernon Company, Vega Landscaping. They have 27 reviews, 13 reviews, which tells me if you get like 30 or so Google reviews, you will probably be in the first page of Google. And furthermore, that's just in the Google listing part and like on the map. So like I would really focus on making sure you have an address on your Google listing, making sure you have at least 30 Google reviews. That'd be the first thing. Then it's just a matter like you're not ranking on the first page of Google for the website. So there's over the course of time, Landscape Marlboro, their second page. Sorry, I'm just trying to find. Okay, cool. So I don't see you here. So I just really, really encourage you to focus on the Google listing. Like get as many reviews as possible. Because what I believe has happened over the past few years, and the reason you've declined in revenue is all of your customers have gone online. Like all the leads that you used to get because of referrals, people seeing your truck, you do a great job. People talk to their neighbors less now than ever before. And I don't think that trend's going to continue like switch around. I think people are going to talk to each other less. And so they will go more online. They'll go more digital. And so you need to be there, right? And so your website looks decent enough, right? Like I could, pick apart like, hey, I'd rather see your crew and your truck on the front cover instead of just a random lawn. I could pick into those things, but more importantly, you're not even being seen right now. Like the website isn't even being seen because you don't have the Google reviews and you're not ranking on Google. And so like I would like if just to give you like I know it sounds really basic, but get 30 Google reviews quickly. Family, friends, past customers, send them all a text message and be like, I'd really appreciate if you'd give me a Google review. Here's the link. That would be the number one thing I could say. And that really matches up to the fact that you've had a decline in leads over the past 3 years because everyone's moved online the past few years. And in the past, they might have only gone to their neighbor and asked them who mowed their grass. Now they go online and that's where they get their referrals from.